Okay, so now we are going to have PE. So the first one is, okay, you discuss and demonstrate.
What does demonstrate mean?
You show us the different strokes in swimming. Go.
You how to do backstroke, lay on your back, and then your pinky has to land first. And then to come out, the thumb already. And then you put your face up. And then to do freestyle, first stroke head down, second stroke lead to the side. And then just keep repeating and repeating till you get to the end of the 100-meter pool. Then you have to make, and then you can how to do breaststroke like that. Count to 2, 1, 2, and then for your position. Then do it again and again.
Okay.
And then for catch up swing, do you know that?
What's that? No.
It's a freestyle, but you have to count to 2 before you get strokes.
How's that? Can you show me?
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Okay.
And then for this one, I don't know the name. It's like this.
Okay. Can you demonstrate the different strokes? Oh, show us. Okay, the first one is
Freestyle.
how's freestyle? Okay. The next one is
Backstroke.
okay.
That.
Okay. The next one is
Is breaststroke.
okay.
Okay, catch up swim is 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Okay. So, hey, this one. The last question for P. Tell something about swimming. What do you like about swimming?
Because you can see underwater. Then you can play and learn how to swim. And then also you can know how to know without stopping in swimming training. Then that's all.
Okay. What are the gears you use in swimming?
There are 3. So there's goggles, fins, and kickboard.
Okay. So that's it for